So today's video is regarding how to print the WPS PIN number of HP Deskjet 3700 series printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and also load the tray with the paper. And once your printer is on, we go to the display panel, press and hold information and wireless button. So just these two buttons until the printer sends a command for printing. So just do that. Now the printer has printed a page here. Now this page says HP network configuration page, and it says HP Deskjet 3700 all-in-one printer, and on the top it says WPS pin. Now here is the temporary WPS pin number, and it says it's good for 5 minutes from the time this report was printed. That means you can use this pin number for next 5 minutes, and if you don't use it, then it will expire and then you have to regenerate it. And that's the way we can print the pin number. Thanks for watching.